Are you kidding me? Give me an Indian house mom rating. Hello from Bangalore, my name is Ivana, or Mera naam Ivana hai. And in case you're wondering why is your nose so stuffy and your eyes so watery, well, I touched my eyes with chili hands. I was just slicing up a green chili and then I touched my hands. Brilliant idea. Not. For this week, I am cooking curd rice. My flatmate Nishta and Vivek, who are my Indian food testers every single week, they made the choice, maybe or maybe not, suggested by me, curd rice. Curd rice. I freaking love curd rice, so I couldn't be more excited to be cooking it this week. In case you've never watched a video of mine before, click that subscribe button because then you will get my videos in the future as well. Also, don't forget the little notification bell. And if you would like to know what these videos are about, well, it is all down in the description below, my friends. Without further ado, chalo, let's cook curd rice. Let's do this. The picture of this video looked exactly like the curd rice that I absolutely adore. So let's see.
Welcome to Mana Untitled. Ee roju manam Daddojanam leda curd rice ela tayaru cheyalo telusukunnam.
This looks so good. Looks absolutely amazing. I think the biggest challenge is going to be cooking that rice properly. I'm gonna watch some extra videos to see if they do the rice a little bit differently, but this is the general recipe that I'm gonna follow with the ingredients and like preparation method. Let's do this. I genuinely think the hardest part of this recipe is gonna be cooking the rice to the right texture because it has to be overcooked and a little bit mashed. I'm gonna do that in a minute, but again, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, click that subscribe button. What are you waiting for, my friends? Let's cook the rice first, right? I'm actually using the rice that I used for khichdi last time because I like that smaller grain. So we'll see how that works out. I got all the other ingredients here so I can just easily make the masala whenever the rice is ready, and then it will be fresh. Okay, let's see how the rice turned out. Do this with one hand. Yes, I can. Oh, that looks good. I had a glimpse. That looks damn fine. Okay, let me see. Like, can it be easily mashed? Yes. Can you see this? Ah, that is good rice or chawal. The Hindi word for rice. Nice. We can make the tempering. While that tempering is simmering and frying, I'm just gonna mash the rice a little bit. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of that, but hey, let's just do that. Not too much. See, the thing is, I am the type of person who likes a little bit rice definition in her curd rice. It shouldn't be like completely mashed. That's the thing, if you've eaten a dish for a long time, you know what you like about it, and you can like customize it. So it might not be traditional, but it will be the way you like it. Okay, so I think this is good. I'm going to add the curd. I'm not going to be mixing it with my hands because it's just too hot. Actually, should I add the curd then? Huh. I think it should be okay, right? I'm not sure now. Let's do this. The rice has cooled off for a long time now, so it should be okay, I guess. The recipe said 3 cups of curd, but I took 1.5 cup of rice. Actually, is that true? How much rice did I take? Let me check this. Oh, that smells good. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. Let me just add in the red chilies. Yes, right, a little bit more and it's gonna be amazing. How much rice did I use? I think 1.5 cup. I'm so confused right now. I'm just gonna add this curd and we'll see. So let's just add half of this and we'll see what the consistency looks like after that. Do you guys want to close up? I think you do. Come here. Let me mix this. I kind of do understand why they would mix it with their hands because it's just easier than this, to be honest. No, this would need more curd, 100%. Let's just put everything in there. Actually, we can also add milk. I saw somebody else do that too. So if it's not the right consistency with just the curd, we're gonna add milk. Ooh, but this looks good. Oh yeah. I did something absolutely unheard of because we didn't have any milk and the curd was also limited. So I just added water in here and created a creamy consistency. Look at this. Now it's the right consistency. So we can proceed with adding the tempering. Are you kidding me? I added the tempering, but the camera was not on. Seriously, that's the curse of cooking and filming at the same time. But the tempering looked absolutely phenomenal. Ooh, look at this. Okay, I'm gonna add some coriander. Vivek just came in. No worries. Let's mix this. I actually wanted to add a lot more coriander, but we'll see. Oh, wait, the biggest blasphemy of all, not adding any salt. Start with, well, actually 100% it's gonna be 2. Come on, look at this quantity. Let me just finish this up and we can taste. Queen, try it. Yes? Why? The recipe called for that.
Good.
Good? I thought it was not good. Okay. First thoughts?
Yeah.
Okay, try it. Your face looks questionable.
It's good.
Yeah,
A little more tempering could come.
I agree. I tried
Because
it.
it's not very spicy. For me, you know,
Huh.
it's perfect for some people who don't like
Hanji, I agree. So more, definitely more mustard seeds, I think. And more.
Mustard seeds, red chilies, tempering, the overall tempering.
Yeah. Okay. So what rate would you give it?
7, 8?
7, 8? Nice. Go for it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You put lentils in it as well?
Yes. Crunchy.
It is crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
Again, I second what Mr. had to say.
Yeah.
A little tempering,
Yeah.
and I find it's a little bland.
Yeah.
But again, good for some palates, good for...
Okay. Stop being diplomatic, just say your thoughts. Speak your mind.
I'll give it an even 8.
An even 8. If you would get this in an Indian restaurant, would you still give it an even 8?
No.
No.
Okay, so what would you give it?
So it's the effort, considering you don't know it, you have to always account for it.
No, you don't. You have to be honest, brutally honest. Give me an Indian house mom rating.
No. That's not fair.
That is fair. That's the level I aspire to become. So you have to tell me what level I am now.
But not at the first time.
Of course.
You can't hit the jackpot.
Okay, seriously, give me the real rating.
I'll give you a 7. Yeah, nothing less than that.
Okay, Nishta, give me the brutal rating. Give it to me.
I love Deepti's curd rice.
Yes.
Compared to that, this is
6? Okay, good, thank you. See, I don't mind if it's edible, and it is edible.
It's definitely edible.
Yes.
See,
so, but I need...
the spiciness and
Yeah.
everything of it. I like a certain way.
Actually, I messed up a little bit because I added water. There was not enough curd instead of milk. And I feel it's missing a little bit of acidity because of that. No.
For me, I think the whole consistency is really good.
Yeah?
It's thick enough. For
No,
rice to
but in terms of flavor.
yeah, it's good.
Flavor-wise, it's good.
Curd rice as such, this curd and rice is perfect. It's just the tempering which is missing.
Okay. Okay, I'll take it. Apparently, it will take me a few more tries to get it right. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. And obviously, you can always put a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!